Hey there, money-savvy folks! Welcome back to Money Does Matters, the channel where we break down the secrets to financial success in a way that even your pet goldfish can understand. And today, we're spilling the beans on some insider secrets I picked up while rubbing elbows with the wealthy elite. So, grab your favorite cup of coffee, and let's dive right in. Secret number 1. The early bird gets the worm and the wealth. Ever heard the phrase the early bird catches the worm? Well, when it comes to wealth, truer words were never spoken. Rich people don't just hit the snooze button and roll over, they're up with the sun, seizing the day like it's a freshly baked croissant. Why? Because they know that time is their most valuable asset. So, rise and shine, my friends, because the early riser catches more than just worms, they catch opportunities. Secret number 2. It's not what you know, it's who you know. Forget what your high school guidance counselor said about grades and test scores. In the world of the wealthy, it's all about connections, connections, connections. Networking isn't just a buzzword, it's the secret sauce to success. Think of it as building your own personal Avengers team, except instead of saving the world, you're saving your bank account. So, get out there, shake some hands, and make those LinkedIn connections like your future depends on it, because it just might. Secret number 3. Money talks, but budgeting whispers. Contrary to popular belief, the rich don't just throw money around like confetti at a parade. Nope, they've got budgets tighter than a pair of skinny jeans after Thanksgiving dinner. Budgeting isn't just about pinching pennies, it's about making every dollar count. It's like being the director of your own financial blockbuster, you've got to allocate your resources wisely to ensure a happy ending. So, grab that spreadsheet and start crunching those numbers like a boss. Secret number 4. Invest like you're playing Monopoly. Remember playing Monopoly as a kid and wishing life was that easy? Well, surprise, it kinda can be. Rich folks know that investing isn't just for Wall Street tycoons, it's for anyone willing to roll the dice and play the game smart. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or the latest cryptocurrency craze, investing is like planting seeds in a garden, the sooner you start, the more you'll reap. So, grab your top hat and start investing like you mean it. Secret number 5. Embrace failure like it's your favorite sweater. Here's a little secret the rich don't want you to know: failure isn't the end of the road, it's just a pit stop on the highway to success. Think of it as collecting badges in the game of life. The more failures you rack up, the closer you are to leveling up. So, dust yourself off, learn from those mistakes, and keep on trucking. After all, every failure is just another stepping stone to greatness. Secret number 6. Education never stops, but it doesn't have to break the bank. You don't need a fancy Ivy League degree to make it big in this world, although it wouldn't hurt. Rich folks know that education is a lifelong journey, and thanks to the wonders of the internet, it's never been easier, or cheaper, to expand your horizons. Whether it's reading books, taking online courses, or attending seminars, knowledge is power, my friends. So, grab that library card or fire up YouTube University, class is in session. Secret number 7. Work smarter, not harder. Forget the hustle and grind mentality, rich people work smarter, not harder. They know that time is their most valuable asset, so they're not afraid to delegate, automate, and streamline their workflow like a well-oiled machine. It's like being the conductor of your own symphony, you've got to orchestrate your tasks to create a masterpiece. So, put down that sledgehammer and pick up a strategy guide, it's time to work smarter. Secret number 8. Surround yourself with greatness. You are the company you keep, so choose wisely. Rich folks know that surrounding themselves with smart, motivated individuals is the key to leveling up in life. Think of it as assembling your own Justice League, except instead of fighting supervillains, you're conquering financial goals. So, ditch the naysayers and find yourself a tribe that lifts you higher than a SpaceX rocket. Secret number 9. Give back like you're Oprah. Contrary to popular belief, wealth isn't just about hoarding piles of gold like a dragon guarding its treasure. It's about giving back to those less fortunate and making the world a better place, one philanthropic gesture at a time. Whether it's donating to charity, volunteering your time, or simply spreading kindness wherever you go, generosity is the true measure of wealth. So, channel your inner Oprah and start spreading that wealth like confetti. Alright, can't wait for the last one. Secret number 10. Never stop dreaming, but don't forget to take action. Last but certainly not least folks, never stop dreaming big dreams. Rich people know that anything is possible if you're willing to put in the work and chase those dreams like your life depends on it. Think of it as writing your own epic saga. You've got to dream up the plot twists and turns, but you've also got to pick up that pen and start writing. So, dream big, aim high, and never forget to take action, because fortune favors the bold. And there you have it, folks, 10 juicy secrets straight from the playbook of the rich and fabulous. Which one of these tips are you going to start implementing today? Let me know down in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more financial wisdom that even your piggy bank will thank you for. Until next time, stay savvy, stay classy, and keep chasing those money dreams. Catch you on the flip side. Bye now.